Hello kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, A to Z. Colors name magenta, pink, sky blue, light green, violet, blue and brown color. Red color, A. B, C, D, black color, E. Now we are tracing letter F. Kids, this is letter G. Now we are tracing letter H. Yellow color, I, J, K, L, orange color, M, N, O, P, light green color, Q, R, S, T, pink color, U, V, W, X, violet color, Y, Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.